gonna have a Coast Guard land in our field.
I know, I'm jealous.
It took a couple months, but we finally got the Coast Guard to respond back, and they're coming like shortly.
I hear it!
We may see some rescue swimmers drop down from our boat.
They're coming down! The rescue swimmers! Rescue swimmers! They're hopping out! You can see them! Hop! Jump! They're coming! Very excited. We get to be front row. It will bring good advertisement for our Aeronautics club, and we'll hopefully get more people to join by doing this.